Welcome back to my channel, and now I'm with Lexmark. This here for Surreal. You type here the driver, sorry, the driver Gillette, driver Gillette. And please why I'm search the official website for you and like download for the official website, not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for official website. Click here. This here for the paste your model print. Click here for the driver Gillette and paste your model print. Click here, find a driver and download. This here for the tag here model printer, and this here for the tag automatic here operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change the operating system, and this here for driver recommended for me for the package. And if you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system Linux, Windows, and Mac. I'm sure for the Mac. I'm sure for the Mac, and this year for Mac, new version for Mac 12, Mac 11, Mac 13, this year for Mac 10, and I'm sure for the Mac 13, and this year for Mac 13, the driver. And if you need to download, you click here for the title, and click here for button download. This here for your drive, your download driver for Mac Macintosh, Macintosh 13 version. And I'm sure for the Linux, and this here for Linux, the version for Debian, Fedora, and this here for OpenSUSE, Red Hat, and SUSE for the Ubuntu, and this here for the new version for the Fedora 13, 13, 2, 13, 13 2, 13 6, 13 7, 13, 13 6, and 13 7, and this here for the Fedora 24. 24, 25 in this year for the Debian version, Debian 7, and Debian 12. And if you need to log, you click here for the your version, and you click here for the title here, and this here for the title driver and network network and local scanner. This here for the network for the Wi-Fi. If you need download, you click here and you click here for a start download button. This here for your driver download. And this video I'm the driver for Windows. Change here for the Windows, and this here for specific for the Windows 11, and this here for the new version for Windows. And this here for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for the Windows 11, a new version for the Windows. Click here for the version, and this here for the all match the Windows 11 support, and this here for uh, the printer and scanner. If you need to download, you click here and click here for button start download. And I recommendation for you, you download for the universal driver, and this here for universal print driver installation package, and this here for the package installation. If you need to download, you click here for title, click here for button download, start download, and this here for your driver download. Okay, if you need install driver for the new printer, you put on the full printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC laptop USB cable printer. And this here for the driver finish download. If you driver finish download, you double click here or you click here. Open, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the tech automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.